In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn push-to-talk off for Discord. If you're using push-to-talk in Discord, but would rather have your microphone activate automatically whenever you speak, you can easily switch to voice activity. Discord gives you the flexibility to choose the input mode that works best for you. And in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find these settings and how to configure them. To begin, open Discord on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon next to your profile name. This will open the User Settings menu. From the list of settings on the left side, scroll down until you find Voice and Video, then click on it. This section contains all of the settings related to your microphone, speakers, and voice chat experience. When the Voice and Video page opens, locate the Input Mode section. Here you'll find two available options: voice activity and push-to-talk. If push-to-talk is currently enabled and you'd like to turn it off, simply select voice activity instead. As soon as you make this change, Discord will automatically activate your microphone whenever it detects your voice. If you're using voice activity, you can also adjust the input sensitivity setting. This allows you to control how loud your voice needs to be before Discord activates your microphone. You can manually adjust the sensitivity slider until it matches your speaking volume, or you can enable automatic input sensitivity and let Discord determine the best level for you. If you ever decide to switch back to push-to-talk, simply return to the same input mode section and select push-to-talk. After enabling it, you'll be asked to assign a keyboard shortcut that you'll press whenever you want to speak. You can also adjust the push-to-talk release delay, which determines how long your microphone stays active after you release the assigned key. Once you've finished making your changes, close the User Settings window and join a voice channel or call to test your new input mode. Speak normally if you're using voice activity, or press your assigned shortcut if you've chosen push-to-talk to make sure everything is working correctly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.